Welcome to Homework Lib.
So over here we're asked to convert one butene, this compound, into three different compounds over here. Sorry, four different compounds. So the first one that we're going to look at is going to be converting this into butane directly. Next up into 2-butanol. The third option would be into 2-bromobutane. And finally into 1,2-dibromobutane. So for the first pathway, what we need to add is going to be the hydrogenation of this compound, employing a catalyst which could be platinum, palladium, nickel, or whatever catalyst that you want to employ. In this case, I'm going to write down with palladium. For the second reaction, we want to add the OH into the most substituted part of the alkene. This is going to be a Markovnikov addition. So in this case, we're going to have two options. The first one is going to be directly just adding acid catalyzed reaction of water. We're going to have the addition, or the other option that we're going to get is going to be the oxymercuration demercuration sequence, which is going to start with a first step corresponding to adding mercury to plus in water, and a second step consisting on the reduction with sodium BH4. In this type of reactions, the compound containing mercury is often going to be mercury acetate, which is HgOAc2. Now, for the next compound, we're also going to have a Markovnikov addition, but in this case of bromine, and this is going to correspond to the addition of HBr directly. So for this reaction, we just need to add HBr into the reaction mixture, and we are going to end up the Markovnikov addition of the bromine ion. And finally, in order to get the desubstituted, the debrominated version, we're going to use bromine in a solvent, which is, for example, CCl4. Remember that if you use this reaction with water instead of an organic solvent, you're going to generate the alcohol in an anti-stereochemistry with the bromine. So, in this case, those are all of the reactions that we're going to get for pathway A, B, C, and D. Remember that for B, we're going to have two options. Actually, the one that is going to be preferred is going to be the mercuration, deoxymercuration. So I'm going to write it down directly as mercurium acetate, and a second step of sodium borhydride, BH4. And with that, it would be all. Thanks and have a good one.